Introducing our Loan Inquiry Voice AI Chatbot, your smart, always available assistant for quick and hassle-free financial queries. Businesses face major challenges like high call center costs from repetitive loan and EMI queries, long wait times causing poor customer experiences, limited support hours, and inconsistent agent responses that affect trust. Our Loan Inquiry Voice AI chatbot solves these problems with instant answers to loan inquiries, EMIs, eligibility, and repayment details. It provides 24/7 multilingual voice assistance, handles FAQs on interest rates, documentation, and application status, and integrates with banking systems for personalized, accurate responses. Simple to use. Here's a short demo of customer experience. Customers just log in with credentials and can engage through both chat and voice and get conversational experience.
How many EMIs are left for me to pay?
You have 3 EMIs remaining to pay.
What is the amount for my single EMI?
Your single EMI amount is 1,800 rupees.
Is there any penalty for late EMI?
Yes, there is a penalty for late EMI payment. The late payment charges are 496 rupees and 33 paise.
When is my next due date for EMI?
Your next EMI due date is 15th November 2023.
Can you check my today's calendar?
I can only assist with Bizmetric related queries such as financial or loan related information. I recommend checking your calendar application for today's schedule.
Contact us today and book a demo to help customers with seamless loan assistance. Email us at marketing@bizmetric.com. Subscribe to us at Bizmetric Official and visit our website www.bizmetric.com.